Welcome, everyone. I'm Beth Griffith, founder of Renewable Renegades, and today I'm going to show you something that took me years to figure out, but will take you exactly 15 minutes to build. We're going to create your very first AI agent, a digital assistant that works for you 24/7, and you don't need to write a single line of code. Whether you run a small business, you're building your career, or you just want to stop drowning in emails, this session is for you. Let's jump in. Here's the reality. The average small business owner loses 13 hours every single week to repetitive admin, sorting emails, scheduling appointments, following up with clients, filtering spam. That's almost 2 full work days gone. And here's what's exciting. 58% of small businesses are already using AI tools. The market for no-code AI platforms is exploding, growing 30% per year. The tools exist, they're affordable. And today, I'm going to hand you the exact blueprint to reclaim those hours. So, what exactly is an AI agent? Think of it as a digital employee that works for you around the clock. It reads your emails, understands what they need, and takes action based on rules you set. It's not some scary sci fi thing, it's practical. It's like hiring a receptionist, an executive assistant, and a scheduler all in one, except it costs a fraction of what you'd pay a person and it never calls in sick. You teach it using plain English. No code, no programming language, just clear instructions about how you want things handled. The tool we're using today is called Base 44. It's a no-code AI agent builder, meaning you don't write code, you don't need a developer, and you don't need any technical background. You describe what you want in plain English, and Base 44 builds it. It connects to Gmail, Outlook, Google Calendar, and over 50 other tools. It has enterprise-grade security built in, and you can start on the free tier today. By the end of this session, you'll have a working agent. Here's your exact roadmap. 15 minutes, 4 phases. Minutes 1 through 3. You create your free account and name your agent. Minutes 4 through 7. You define what it does and paste in a starter prompt I'm giving you today. Minutes 8 through 11. You connect your email. Minutes 12 through 15. You test it, verify it works, and flip the switch. That's the whole thing. No mystery, no overwhelm. Let's break each step down. Step 1 is the easiest. You go to Base 44, create your free account. I'll give you the link and QR code at the end. And while you're there, have a few things ready: your business email address, your business name and what services you offer, your calendar tool. And here's the secret sauce. Write down your 5 to 10 most common customer questions. Things like, what are your hours? Or do you serve my area? Or how do I schedule? That list is gold. It's what makes your agent actually useful from day one. Now you're giving your agent its job description. Think of this exactly like onboarding a new employee. You tell it, your job is to manage my email, sort everything into 5 categories: urgent, client, vendor, newsletter, and spam. Draft professional responses that sound like me. Flag anything that needs my personal touch. And if someone hasn't heard back from us in 24 hours, remind me. That's it. You're not writing code. You're writing a job description in plain English. And I'm going to give you the exact prompt to copy and paste. Here's where the magic happens. I'm giving you a starter prompt, a pre-written set of instructions you paste directly into Base 44. All you do is fill in the blanks: your business name, your services, your area, your hours, and your scheduling link. The prompt already includes rules like never share pricing without my approval, always be warm and professional, and for emergencies, flag me immediately. You don't have to figure out the AI language. I've already done that work for you. 2 minutes of customization, and you have a working executive assistant. Step 3, connecting your email. Base 44 has a visual integration wizard. You click Connect Email, choose Gmail or Outlook, authorize it, and you're done. 3 clicks. Here's what I recommend. Start in draft only mode. That means your agent reads your emails, sorts them, and writes responses, but it saves them as drafts for you to review before anything goes out. You stay in control. Once you trust it, after a couple weeks, you can upgrade its permissions, but start safe, start supervised. Final step, testing. Send yourself an email, something like a customer asking about your hours. Watch your agent categorize it, draft a response, and flag it for your review. Check 3 things. Did it sort correctly? Does the response sound like you? And does it know when to escalate to you? If yes, congratulations. You just built your first AI agent. Activate it. For the first week, check in daily. After that, weekly reviews are fine. You've just reclaimed hours of your life. Once your main assistant is running, you can add specialized agents. The email sorter gives every email a priority score from 1 to 5 and suggests what to do. The response drafter uses templates, so new inquiries get a thank you and timeline. Scheduling requests get time slots, and complaints get empathy and solutions. And the junk handler quarantines spam, but never deletes anything without your permission. It sends you a weekly summary. I quarantined 12 emails this week. Want me to delete them? You stay in control, always. Now let's talk safety, because this matters. Your AI agent has built-in guardrails. It operates at permission levels you set. Start at draft only. It can read and write, but can't send without your approval. It will never store credit card information. It will never share one client's data with another. And it has escalation triggers. If anyone mentions a lawyer, expresses serious dissatisfaction, or requests financial information, it immediately flags you. The golden rule programmed into every agent: when in doubt, do not act, flag for human review. You are always the final decision maker. And here's what I love about this: it works for everyone. If you're a plumber, your agent answers, "Do you serve my zip code?" If you're job hunting, it sorts your job alerts by relevance and drafts cover letters. If you run a nonprofit, it tracks grant deadlines and manages volunteer scheduling. If you just want to stop drowning in newsletters at home, it handles that too. The technology is the same. The setup is the same. Only your instructions change. This is truly accessible AI for real people doing real work. Here's your 30-day plan. Today, right after this session, scan the QR code, create your account, and build your first agent using the prompt I've given you. This week, write out your top 20 customer questions. Week 2, let your agent handle after-hours emails while you review everything daily. Week 3, add the specialized agents. By week 4, you're running a full AI email command center with weekly reviews. In 30 days, you'll have reclaimed 10 plus hours every single week. That's over 500 hours a year back in your life. All right, here's your moment. Take out your phone right now and scan this QR code. It takes you directly to Base 44, where you can create your free account and start building today. I've also created a complete AI agent builder guide with every prompt, every template, and every security protocol we talked about. It's yours. Now, if you loved what you saw today and you're thinking, I don't just want one agent, I want my entire business running on AI. I hear you. I offer a done with you VIP build out called the AI Agent Command Center. We build up to 40 custom agents across your entire operation: sales, marketing, admin, client communication, onboarding, reporting, and growth. The founder price is $14,997. That's a $100,000 value at a fraction of the cost. If that's you, come find me after this session or visit the Applied Summit website. Thank you so much for your time today. Now go build your first agent. You've got this.